Hi guys, this is Anand from YouTube. Today we are talk about that Indian country, Tamil Nadu state's legislative assemblies and the details. How many voters are there and how many voters are rejected, how many voters are youngsters and um, like that. Details I will talk about in this video. This video made up in there each districts and each legislative assembly how many of voters are present in that. The topic will be going to 3 or 4 parts maybe. I detail explain it in the each legislative assembly and each how many voters are in the legislative assembly also. Okay, now I started it. General information of the legislative assembly of the Tamil Nadu. Also, I will talk about how many important parties are participate in this election also. First, I will talk about that DMK. The DMK chief is MK Stalin, and the ADMK. This is Abu Paneerselvam. Sorry. Paneerselvam also joined in the DMK party. It's a ex-CM also. Ex-CM also is ADMK. Edappadi Palanisamy. And PMK is Anbumani Ramadas and IUMUS, Indian Muslim Leagues. Indian Muslim League Party is also Qadar Mughaiddin and some of the parties are trying to, for example, NTK, TVK. NTK is Seaman and TVK is Vijay and some other member also. And many other parties are participating almost. Mostly national parties are participating in this election in the Tamil Nadu state. Mostly BJP, CPI and the CPIM and National Congress also. CPI leader is in Tamil Nadu party is CPIM. P. Shanmugam, and the CPI is R. Muthurasan. National Congress is Selva Perandagai, and the BJP is Nayanar Nagendran. Now come to the almost 34 234 legislative assemblies in the in our states. The legislative assembly is not increased. Mostly, each legislative constituted of minimum or 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh people only. 2.5 lakh is general, 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs generally. In some legislative assembly has 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 35,000 people are present also there. I told you that almost 38 districts in our state, and the total population is 8.53 crore, and the gents is 2.77 crore, ladies is 2.89 crore, and the third, the gays are also transgender. That means transgenders are 7,617 voters are present, also participated in the election, and the physically handicapped persons are 4.63 lakhs also participating, and the aged persons are up to 3.99 lakhs, and the total legislative assembly is 234, and first time is eligible to participate the election is elected members is 12.51 lakh voters are eligible. Is a first time in the election participating, and mostly 18-19 ages voters are 6.42 lakhs, 6.42 lakhs men's and 6.09 lakhs women's. And sorry, that means almost 74.07 lakh people are eliminated in this election as a voter list. The voter list. Mostly um, in the mostly topmost voters are in the legislative assembly is Solingalur. Almost 5,36,000 and 999 voters are present in the Solingalur districts also. And the lowest legislative assembly voters also Thuraimukam, 1,16,896 voters are in the presented. And the second lowest lowest legislative assembly voters is Yelambur. Just 1,34,879 voters are in the legislative assemblies. Okay, after the next continued video, I will detail explain in the each legislative assembly. First, I told in the district wise how many legislative assembly and how many voters and present in each legislative assembly also. I will continue in the next video.